On my 1999 Camry with the 2.2 liter, I had a miss and was not throwing any codes. So I went with the cheapest thing first, which was a set of plugs. I bought these off of Amazon for like right around 15 bucks. And it's the first plug I pulled out, I think, was this one here. As you can see, like the electrode, let me get you, the electrode has left the jack. So I'm pretty confident when I put these in, they're gapped at 44 thousandths. I think I'll have a winner. So these two, the electrodes were like gone. They were the fine tip electrode, but these two, they're not there. So keep that in mind. If you get a miss, no codes, check your plugs.